Make America great again. Bullshit blame.
The following contest is a fatal four-way Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from New York, weighing in at 239 pounds,
What a great match we have here to start off this night, guys.
And Michael, I had to check twice when I saw this match listed as our opener. I mean, it could very well have been our main event.
If you have oil, I'll bring war. If you have weapons of mass destruction, I'll bring democracy. Big talk, big walk, spotlight flames, shake the ring, break the blame. I'm the first, you're the shame. King of the world, remember the name. Make America great again. Bullshit blame. No problem.
When you think Attitude Era, you think Stone Cold.
and his opponent. First, from Victoria, Texas, weighing in at 252 pounds, Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Hey, Stone Cold Steve Austin does what he wants, when he wants. And guys, it's paid off for him. Stone Cold Steve Austin is a six-time WWE champion.
The Texas Rattlesnake has arrived, and this building is about to be unglued.
There is no one who can elicit a response quite like Stone Cold Steve Austin.
As the late great Lemmy says, it's time to play the game. The mood has changed.
And from Greenwich, Connecticut, weighing in at 260 pounds,
It's all about the game and how you play it, and nobody plays it better than Triple H. Oh, the Cerebral Assassin, the sadistic son-in-law of the chairman of WWE. So many incredible moments created by this man and etched in history.
If there is one thing we have learned about Triple H, he will do anything and everything to advance his career.
Talking about one of the most effective, methodical technicians to ever lace up a pair of boots. A surefire first ballot Hall of Famer. Everything he's created in the ring and out.
And from Munich, Germany, weighing in at 210 pounds, the King of
the night off than with this one.
I can't think of a better match to kick the night off, Michael. In fact, we haven't even gotten started yet, and I can assure you that this will be a tough match to follow.
One of the aspects to this type of match which makes it so interesting is that it can lead to the formation of unlikely alliances. Just another thing to have to worry about when you're competing against 3 other superstars all at the same time.
Mark my words, Cole. These 4 superstars are about to embark on the fight of their lives.
Oh, Corey, he unloaded there. From behind. Neck breaker. Looks like he's starting to sweat now. The fatal 4-way environment might just be too much for him to handle.
At this point, it's still anybody's match, Cole, but he's got to be careful not to take too much more punishment here if he wants to be the one walking away with the win.
By the looks of things, I don't think he expected his opponent to be as motivated as he clearly is here tonight.
I'll destroy your face.
What a strike. Elbow drop. Right to the heart. Escapes trouble there. He wants no part of the outside. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Look out, there he goes.
Knocked right off his feet.
When a superstar wins the Royal Rumble match, they immediately become part of an elite group. When they win a second Rumble, you're talking about your own exhibit in the Hall of Fame.
But to win a third, Michael, only one man has achieved that, and that is Stone Cold Steve Austin. Stone Cold probably deserves his own wing in the Hall of Fame at this point.
He's in a little bit of trouble now. You can't help but wonder if he can turn things around here in this 4-way match.
I don't like his chances at all, Cole. He's getting absolutely pummeled in there. When we talk about Steve Austin's 3 Royal Rumble match wins, you gentlemen have a revisionist history. The 97 victory should have an asterisk next to it because Austin was eliminated and re-entered the match. What would you guys do without me?
Let's see. Probably have less headaches for one thing, Corey. If you have an issue with Austin's Royal Rumble history, I'd like to see you take it up with Stone Cold.
Elbow drop.
Piercing.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
Yeah, but it's all about
Wow, I thought he was a goner. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
We know what's coming here. Ring rattling.
He can end it here.
Uh-oh, he's in trouble here.
Cross the shoulders.
Oh, what a slam! That hurt!
There it is. Oh, no, I don't like Steve Austin's chances in this one. Oh, boy, he is rolling. Triple H is on fire, letting everyone know how he feels.
And it appears Steve Austin is starting to hit the wall physically now. Don't be surprised if he can't find a way to bounce back here in this fatal 4-way match.
He's fading fast here, guys. If I'm his opponent, I'm thinking about putting him out of his misery sooner than later.
This could end it in a hurt stunner! Stone Cold with a stunner!
That should do it.
Fist drop. What a punch!
Yeah, we all know he's a guy with great skill and endurance.
Not where he wants to be right now. Hey, he got himself into this mess.
He's got to get himself out of it now.
Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
He's looking at it, trying to turn the tables. Beautiful technique. Can he finish the job? Well, that's the way they drew it up.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
I don't know about you guys, but it looks to me like these superstars are on their last legs here.
This is on the back of the neck.
We may be looking at our winner here, guys. Is the second time enough to end this match?
Oh, and he reverses it. Austin looking to pay homage to the Lone Star State. Dropped from above. Neck breaker.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
A second time. Oh, nasty impact.
This one's over, guys. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Whoa, Triple H dodged that one. Hey, Triple H, a spine buster.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
I think Triple H just secured this match. I think you may be right. Back in the ring now. Austin looking to pay off it. The Texas pile driver. He's calling for it. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Steve Austin, this is going to be...
Enziguri finds its mark.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
That's worth another look.
Yeah, I want to see that again.
And he's heading back in. Super kick! Uh-oh, the tide. This might be it.
Oh, my. Here's Austin's opportunity.
Just some great execution right there. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. No, he reverses it. And another reversal.
Seems like we're back where we began, Michael.
Thunderous slam.
That might have done it, Cole.
Triple H showing a lot of heart here, but how can he turn this around in his favor? And at this point, you have to wonder if he can recover from this.
Looks to me like he's on Dream Street right now, fellas. That's not a place you want to be when you're in the ring with these three guys.
Well, it'd be unrealistic to expect him to not at least take some offense here. The good news for him is that he still appears to be in a better place than his opponent.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Oh, man, what a gut buster.
Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
When this guy's on, look out.
Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Steve Austin is looking for the ending of this matchup. He has him right where he wants him. And here's Jason.
Stone Cold Stunner.
Warm up the bus. This one is over. Stone Cold can draw the curtains on this fight.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Attack to the midsection.
It's moments like this that it makes...
Enziguri finds its mark.
Here's his moment. Yes! Unreal performance.
Here's another look at some of the previous action, giving their fans their money's worth and more.
I'm not easily impressed, but even I thought that match was one of the best I've seen in a while. He's going to want to make sure he saves every minute of this match for his personal highlight reel because he was on fire in this one.
Kicking off tonight with an impressive victory.
And you just know the rest of the card is watching in the back, wondering how